Have you ever wished for a smart device that can do more than just tell the time and count your steps? A device that can monitor your health, control your phone, and look stylish at the same time. Well, your wish has come true with the boAt Smart Ring, a groundbreaking innovation that comes from the boAt's lab. The boAt Smart Ring is not just a ring, it's a statement of premium living. Crafted with the utmost precision, the boAt Smart Ring boasts a seamless ceramic and metal fusion, exuding luxury. Its intelligent design encompasses smart tracking, ensuring you stay connected with your lifestyle. With smart charging capabilities, this masterpiece is more than just a ring. It's a statement of premium living. The boAt Smart Ring features a combination of ceramic and metal materials, offering a sleek, elegant and inventive design. The premium build quality enhances its durability. Compact and lightweight design ensures a sophisticated appearance suitable for any occasion. The boAt Smart Ring is also a smart companion that lets you monitor your health and fitness with ease. It can measure your heart rate, blood oxygen level, body temperature, and the sleep quality. It can also track your physical activities, your calories burned during the day or the night when you wear it, distance traveled by you, and steps taken. For women, it can also help them keep the track of their menstrual cycle. That's not all. The boAt Smart Ring also lets you control your phone with simple gestures. You can swipe on the ring to control through your phone, change music tracks, click pictures, and more. You can also double-click on the ring to play and pause the music, change slides, scroll on the page, etc. The touch controls are intuitive and let you navigate easily through the content. The boAt Smart Ring has a unique smart charger that keeps your smart companion charged up. It can last for up to 7 days on a single charge and takes only 1.5 hours to charge this device. The Smart Ring is also water resistant up to 5 ATM, so you don't have to worry about splashes or rain. The boAt Smart Ring is compatible with both Android and the iOS devices and connects via Bluetooth 5.0. You can also use the boAt app to customize your settings, view your data, and get notifications through this boAt Ring. The boAt Smart Ring is a revolutionary wearable device that offers you a smart and stylish way to live your life. It is available in 3 sizes, 7, 9 and 11. You can buy it from the websites like Amazon and Flipkart for $8,999. Original price is $19,999. Don't miss the opportunity to get the boAt Ring and experience the future of wearable technology. I have given the link where you can buy this device from. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel.